This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique that I use to help a hot chick that I know attach her solar cover to the solar cover reel for her swimming pool. So if you have a solar cover and a solar cover reel, you may have lived through the straps breaking. And I think you can buy a kit on Amazon for about 10 bucks and just has some polyester straps that go between what's supposed to be a clip up on this end that goes to the solar cover reel. And then you have these little fittings that actually punch a hole through the solar cover as you thread this little plastic grommet down. So since I didn't have any strapping, what I did is took some duct tape. In this case it's the Gorilla brand duct tape, and I folded it in half, and I used that to make a little loop here on the end of the plastic strap that actually clips through the solar cover. And then I cut a 2-foot long piece of paracord. Just took some heat and bonded the ends there, melted them down. And on the other end that's going to attach to the reel, I just took a piece of heavy plastic. In this case it's plastic that came from one of those 440-gallon totes that they haul syrup and water and other things in. I just drilled 2 holes that are 5/16 diameter down here on the bottom of the plastic piece and 1 hole up on top. Then I ran the paracord through the bottom 2, and this hole on top is where I will put the screw that actually attaches this thing to the solar cover reel. When these things are on the reel, they'll be oriented like this. There'll be a screw through here that goes onto that solar cover reel, and then you have the line that comes down, and this will clip through to the solar cover itself and then allow me to help her roll up that solar cover with little to no effort. So the paracord and plastic should last forever. I don't know about the Gorilla tape. I don't have much experience with this stuff, but it looks good, feels tough. So we'll give it a shot. This is what it looks like attached to the reel. So you see that here's that heavy plastic piece. I just put that stainless screw through. Then you can adjust the length by changing this knot around. This thing just screws right through the solar cover. You see the little loop I made out of that Gorilla tape. But this does the job. And it's very cost effective. So I hope this technique helped you. Have a great day.